What's up guys, my name is Billy Wilson. I'm a 21-year-old online entrepreneur. Welcome to my crib. All right, so we got the entry, of course the grass. Got Callie down here, you probably can't see her just yet. There you go. Of course, big mirror. Some artwork behind you. It's kind of black and white theme going on there. And this part, I'm gonna save this for later. All right guys, now first into the living room and kitchen, let's do it. So, of course, paintings down the hallway, and we've got a beautiful kitchen here, custom lighting, kind of. It's like the Philip Hue lights, if you guys know what I mean. You can change the colors. Let me actually show you real quick. I'll change them to blue for you. Boom. And of course, stainless steel appliances, but the thing that everybody always loves about the kitchen is the wine cooler. Don't really ever drink, but still gotta have it there for when the time comes. Probably once every 2 weeks I have a drink or something like that. But gonna have to show you something special in the fridge for those of you guys that know what's up. Got the LaCroix, tons of lime LaCroix, and got the prepared meals. So I don't have to cook my own meals, can save a lot of time there, focus on my actual business. And then from here, let's go ahead and show you guys the living room. All right, so we got the beautiful chairs, of course. Love these, absolutely love them. And as you can see in the living room, we've kind of got a beach theme, and this continues throughout the whole house. I know in about 1 or 2 years from now, I should be living on a beach home, and I'll show you guys that next. But of course, got the TV so we can play some Fortnite every night after we're done working. Gotta have that enjoyment. What's the point of working all this time if you're not gonna enjoy it? Then we got the beautiful plant, palm tree-like plant. Keeps the space a lot happier. And then, one of my favorite parts of the entire house, and now it sounds silly, but this is about the softest rug you will ever touch, and it didn't even cost a ridiculous amount. All right, so just to come back to the Xbox there real quick, of course we got the Elite controller, if any of you guys play video games at all. Turtle Beach headset, and the brand new Xbox One X. So guys, the real biggest thing about this place that I absolutely love, and when I actually came into it for the first time, I fell in love. And the reason was because back in the day, I used to play GTA 5, if any of you guys have done it. And I would always have the nicest cars, the nicest apartment in the game. And the windows, 11-foot ceilings just completely reminds me of that game. And I remember playing that game and I was just, this would be my dream. So honestly, this apartment is literally my dream home, and the windows just tie it all together. That's my favorite part of the entire place. And the ceilings just make it, it's insane. I don't even know if you can see it on the camera, but the ceilings being 11 foot, it is huge in here. Now we'll go back to the hallway and show you guys the special room. All right guys, so we've seen the entry, the kitchen, and the living room. Now time for the secret room. Let's jump right into it. So as you can see, this is the office. This is where I spend most of my day. And there's so much into this room. And you know those jokes where people talk about where it's like, they talk crap and you're like, oh dude, you're just living in your mom's basement. No, I was even worse than that. I was living in my girlfriend's mom's basement. And I was working at the worst desk. Maybe I'll show you guys a picture of where I was working at before, but this has completely made me way more productive. And as you can see, it's a very motivating, clean atmosphere that I can be able to work in, that I can focus. There's not tons of things distracting me. This entire room all to myself. This has changed the game for me. And as you can see, we got the kind of like black and white theme, and then the green. The green is really representing the money over here. We got, I would say this is like the cultivating money corner. We got the light, and actually, I'll go ahead and turn this on for you guys. It's a neon light, custom made. It's sick. Maybe I'll have to show you a shot of that in the dark too, because it looks insane at night. Of course, we got the Lambo canvas, which I love. And then to tie it all together, the workspace. And one of my favorite parts of the office, standing desk. This changed the game for me. Now my back isn't killing me all the time, able to work up. This is where I do my sales calls and everything like that. And I'm actually standing up at the phone at my desk. And it is super helpful. You can afford standing desk. It's probably the first thing I'd recommend buying. And actually was one of the first things that I bought when to upgrade my office. Even when I was living in my crappy apartment, I still had the standing desk just towards the end of that. But hope you guys enjoyed the office. And I'll also show you guys the closet real quick because I know some of you guys are gonna be wondering what's in all these other doors. That one to your left is just a cleaning closet, but this is kind of like my office closet. We just got the Dyson vacuum on the wall, and we got the printer, of course the Alchemy itself, if anybody knows what that's all about, and then some random stuff up there, internet, everything you already know. So, as you can see, she loves the rug. I love this rug too. All right, so now on to the master bathroom and the bedroom. Show you guys that real quick. To the left here, we've got the bathroom, double vanity sinks. I live here with my wife, and so I'm telling you right now, if you have a wife or a girlfriend, you need the double vanity sinks in if you're waking up at the same time in the morning. And then master bedroom, got the beautiful sheets. I actually had to get these shipped in from London. Couldn't buy them in the US. And huge canvas on the other wall here. Love waking up to the beach. It's my dream. I plan on actually getting, once I get enough, grow my business big enough, having actually a mansion directly on the beach. So this gives me that morning motivation, waking up to that beach view. And over here, got my wife's little workstation here. We just set this up like a week or two ago. And I was actually able to retire her from her normal job. So she just gets to make YouTube videos, do whatever she wants, and actually enjoy her life. And it means a lot to me that I've been able to help her be able to achieve her dreams as well. And that's what, I mean, really starting this business has been able to allow me to do, and just absolutely amazing. So let me actually go ahead and I'm gonna take you guys around to the rest of the apartment complex, show you the saltwater pool and some other dope stuff, infinity pool. You guys are gonna love it. Let's head down to the garage and show you guys around the rest of the apartment complex. It's pretty sick. You're gonna love it. All right, so garage is actually, if you didn't notice there, the elevator's right here. My garage is right here. So yeah, this is a super nice thing. You can just walk straight up the elevator, straight into my garage, and I can just go from there. It's the best. But there's the garage. As you can see, my old Saab 9.3. I mean, I'll be real with you guys. I'm not multi-millionaire yet, but hopefully, there'll be a Lamborghini Huracan in this garage within just a couple months. So now we're gonna head upstairs. I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the complex, show you guys the pool and everything like that. Let's do it. Beautiful day outside. It is winter right now, so there are a lot, the grass is mostly dead and everything like that, but in a couple of weeks here, it'll be spring again, and everything's gonna be super green. It's gonna look beautiful, but do excuse that, but it still looks amazing. And this is the nice part about it. You got the nature right outside. It's not like you're living in a big city where you've got literally like no green space, nothing like that. I can walk out here, take a walk with my wife right in the middle of the day. It's an awesome time. And it might surprise you guys, but there's actually, right in front of me, there's a little bit of it's like a road / walkway. It's kind of strange, but it's like actually just a road that goes straight through the whole apartment complex area. And then of course, we got the pool area. So over there, we kind of got like a little TV area. There's a bunch more around this whole area. But over here, got the major thing. I mean, you've got turf, but the saltwater pool, saltwater infinity pool is absolutely amazing. And it's actually heated too. So I could go in this right now. I'm not gonna do it right now, but it is heated. So even during the winter, it's still pretty, I mean, it's probably like 50-degree water, something like that. So you can still swim around in it. It'll still be pretty cold, but never freezes, anything like that, because it's a year-round pool. And tanning beds in the water, everything. It's awesome. To the left here, you kind of got like the main lobby area, the gym, which you can see all through the glass, of course. And of course, you've got the Jenga, the mini golf. Overall, this place is like a hotel resort. That's the best way I can describe it, which I've never seen in my life before, an apartment complex that's like a hotel resort. Over here, we got my favorite part of the outside area, the hot tub, which is year round. I've been in here when it was 30 degrees outside and snowing, and it's still perfectly like a normal hot tub outside. You can go in it anytime year round. even in the middle of the winter like I did. Over here we've got, I think it's called like bocce ball, something like that. Just a game. And more like a ridiculous amount of chairs, places to chill out. I mean, you could close these curtains and be naked in here and tan if you wanted to. Then over here we've got like a little outdoor area, pool table, TV, you can watch some stuff on, maybe play some Xbox outside if you really want to hook up your Xbox or something. Grills, sink, and like ice area behind you. So you literally got everything you need if you want to have the best outdoor cookout ever here. And then we got fire here. You can turn this on at any time. I'm not going to turn it on right now, but this whole thing turns into fire. So if it's nighttime out here, you can chill up, warm up from the pool, take a break by the fire. It's awesome. It's really like I swear, it's like a dream come true. This place is like paradise. So right now I'm gonna take you guys inside. Hopefully there's not too many people in the lobby, but I'm gonna take you guys into the lobby so you can see what that looks like. Show you guys the gym a little bit, sneak peek, and a couple other things that I think you guys will love. So this is like the main lobby of my apartment building. As you can see, you can kitchen if you need to use it. You could have like an event here, anything, whatever you want. Alright guys, so down here we got the massage room. I get a massage once per month, and I don't even have to leave my apartment to get my massage. Just walk down here. It's crazy, it's awesome. And then let's hop into the gym because you already know, gotta spend your time in the gym. Love bodybuilding and everything like that. So it's not the most amazing gym ever, but it's got pretty much everything you need, all the essentials except for barbell stuff. Alright guys, so you've seen the apartment complex, you've seen the crib. Hope you guys enjoyed it, but there is one more thing I need to share with you guys before I do it. So let me jump back to the apartment real quick and tell you guys what it is. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed the tour. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and I want you to know I didn't make this video to brag or anything like that. The reason I made this video is just because I genuinely enjoy being able to show you guys around the place. It feels so good to share with you guys me finally experiencing and fulfilling my childhood dreams. And I more so made this video to inspire you guys to take action and actually turn your dreams into reality, because it was only 2 years ago that I was living in my girlfriend's mom's basement. Now I sound like Ty Lopez, but things can really change for you really quickly if you're willing to put in the work and progress and get better every single day. And your life can completely turn around in not that much time. And now it was a lot of hard work involved into actually creating this, but I made this video once again to inspire you guys. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you living in a place like this pretty soon as well.